Namaste, and I welcome you all on my channel Panchkosh. Today we are going to have a pranayama session. In this pranayama session, we are going to have a Padadhirasana, which is a pre-requirement for doing any pranayama practice. And then we will be doing some Nadi Shodhan pranayama also. But what is pranayama? Pranayama is the flow of breathing, like when we inhale and exhale. So you must have heard about the ancient saints who used to live a very long life, and it was all because they used to have the control over their breathing practice. With pranayama, we can have that control over our breathing practices. So today we are going to start with that. Sometimes whenever you start pranayama, you can just check your nostril breathing, like from which you are breathing. So you can check it by blowing out, like exhaling, and you can feel the breathe over your hand. So whenever you are checking like this, then you feel that mostly your one nostril is working while the other one is inactive. So for the pranayama practice, we need the activation of both the nostrils. For that reason, we just do this Padadhirasana. What I'll be teaching you now. You need to sit in Vajrasana. In Vajrasana, you need to fold your legs like this. You need to have the touching toes and the heels wide open like this. The toes will be touching to each other while the heels will be apart, and you'll be sitting in between these heels. So after sitting in Vajrasana, what we are doing next is we are sitting in Vajrasana where our knees are also touching each other. We'll just make the posture of our hands like this, where thumb will be straight, and we'll be putting the hands under our armpits like this. First we'll cross our hands against our chest, and then we'll put under our armpits like this. And we need to put the pressure on this point like here. So we'll be putting it here like this under both the armpits, and then we'll just inhale and exhale. We'll inhale in a very normal way, like slow breathing first. You can close your eyes to feel the breathing. Just concentrate on the pressure and the inhalation and the exhalation, like slow breathing. Inhale and exhale. You need to do it for like 2 minutes at least, and then we'll increase the pace of our deep breathing, deep inhalation and deep exhalation. For that also we'll be putting our hands like this only. And then we'll just start inhaling deeply like this and exhale deeply. Keep continuing with this. Inhale deeply and then exhale deeply. You need to do it for at least 2 minutes, and then you can check your nostrils like this again if both the nostrils are activated, and if not, then again you can just use the variation in which you'll be making the fist of both the hands like this. We'll cross our arms and put them under our armpits like this, and then again we'll do some deep breathing like this. And after 2 minutes, when you're done with this and you check your nostrils breathing, then you'll check that both your nostrils are activated now and you're good to go with the pranayama practice. So next we'll be doing Nadi Shodhan Pranayama. According to yogic science, there are 3 nadis on our body on subtle level. These are called as Ida, Pingala and Sushumna. Ida, Pingala are like right and left nostrils energy channels, while Sushumna is the one which is activated when both the nadis, Ida and Pingala, are balanced. So Nadi Shodhan is also to balance the nadis or to purify these channels, energy channels through which we are breathing in. I'll tell you first the Surya Bhedi Pranayama. So first Surya Bhedi Nadi Shodhan. In this Nadi Shodhan, we'll just take normal easy pose, or you can also take a lotus pose. A lotus pose in which we'll be putting our foot, like right foot on our left thigh and left foot on our right thigh, like this. And the knees should be touching the floor, like this. And you can take Chin Mudra. In Chin Mudra, we are touching our index finger with our thumb, like this. And rest 3 fingers are pointing in front, like this. Your spine should always be straight whenever you're doing pranayama. Shoulders will be rolled back like this and will be seeing in front, like straight. Now for doing Surya Bhedi Pranayama, we'll be using our right hand. We'll be putting our hand like this. For this, we'll be putting our index finger on our Agya Chakra, like this. The right thumb, this thumb will go on our right nostril, and rest of the these 3 remaining fingers will be closing the left nostril, like this. We'll be putting our index finger here. But this is one side flow, like we'll be inhaling from our right nostril and exhaling from the left one. Inhale from the first, block the left nostril with these 3 fingers and inhale. Inhale from the right nostril, a deep inhalation. Then block it with your thumb, hold it for a second and then exhale with the left nostrils. Again, block your left nostril and inhale from the right one. Block and exhale. Keep doing it for 2 minutes. Hold and exhale. Just feel the breath coming in and going out. You can start doing it for 2 minutes and we can extend it up to like 5 minutes. It's also good whenever we are in cold situation, like we are feeling cold. Then Surya Bhedi just increases the temperature of our body. It's a good pranayam for making our body hot. Now the next one is Chandra Bhedi, and it's the same practice. The difference is we'll be inhaling from the left nostril and exhaling from the right one. So now we'll start with that. We'll again put the same position of our hand like this. This time we'll be starting with the left nostril only. So start with it. Inhale. Block and exhale. The same also you can start doing it with 2 minutes and extend up to 5 minutes. And this pranayama, Chandra Bhedi, like the nature of moon, it helps us to get the body temperature low. So whenever you're feeling hot, you can go for Chandra Bhedi pranayama. So we are done with today's session. But this is the pranayama initial part. I'll be uploading one more video with the pranayama practice. So stay tuned with me for the upcoming video. And if you enjoyed this one, then please do like, share and subscribe. Until then, be happy and stay fit. Namaste.